Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Steam Deck error code 6. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch Minecraft Modpacks, especially in gaming mode. Many players shared that the game crashes with error right after the launch attempt. According to our research, this error likely comes due to mod conflicts, issues with the controller mods, or problems related to the LWJGL version. It may also occur if the Steam Deck or Modpack is not updated. Before trying anything, we suggest you restart your Steam Deck and then check if you have any kind of pending updates. If there are any updates, then install them and try launching the game again. If the error still comes, then try launching the game without any controller mods. Once the game launches successfully, re-add the controller mod and try again. If the error still comes, then next, try disabling any mod illuminations. If the error was caused by a specific mod, disabling it might help fix the crash. If the error still comes, then downgrade the LWJGL version in your Prism launcher. To do this, select the mod pack and hit Edit. In the window, choose Version on the left. Then right-click on LWJGL on the right hand. Then select Change Version and downgrade it. Once done, launch the game and check for the error. If none of these steps helps, then try launching the game in desktop mode instead of gaming mode. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.